Emily? Dog. Dog. Oh, you're going to have fun when we decorate our tree tomorrow. Oh, there's Santa. You want to go see Santa? No. How do you even know who he is? Emily, do you want to go see Santa? No. How do you know who he is? Where's Daddy? Go get Daddy. Did you hear me ask her about Santa?
Wanna go see Santa?
You want to see Santa, Emily? No.
Alright, let's go.